Welcome back once again, guys. It is what it is. Root Kid Venda. And I'm sorry, the difference. Guys, there's something I want to tell you. When you talk about Root Kid, you're talking about one hell of a hard worker. Somebody's always putting in work, who does not listen, but who don't make sure bewe banendo dibonela re mishumo yawe ndi hei noni hei mishumo yawe ita hezwi noni, because you look at how fene dzawe dza mutevela ngayo kana vhatevheli vhawe vha ngayo, you'll see that vha mufuna nga nḓila itevhela nga nḓila I vhonalaho, but ndo ḓiwana nevhala vhane vha vhori vhana fele mbili tharu vhane andizo ri khou itea mini vha ḓivha the best of the best, but they are not even on the top of the rest. You know, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I'm not putting numbers, but they're not on the top of the rest. That means they're at the bottom of the list. Yeah. So one thing is already go drop at the track is Ngiyasebenza. About drop on a music video. See film, one of the greatest guys when it comes to the music video. The guy will give you something different every week. I go shoot a music video. Come on. So make sure that this coming Friday, the Friday at the 19th, make sure that you scoop and the track and you also check out the music video. It should be on different TV channels also. So yeah, man, make sure that you check it out. And then on the 16th of June, Root Kid has the biggest show in Venda. So on a show running among the Venda, but right now, as you can see, oh yeah, as you can see, the video is playing, guys. That's just a trailer. So but check out the track, check out the music video. Make sure you go to his channel and make sure Zorino click a reminder ushto dropper. Hey boo, get that notification and check it out. Ne guys, ndi dukan sona ni ngona ndo mahangoni ndirendizezo ndayandon amara here.